What if the guilt you're running from is actually proof that God is still working on your heart? Not all sorrow is bad. Some sorrow saves you. Some pain doesn't destroy you, it redirects you. Paul says there is a kind of sorrow that leads to repentance, and repentance leads to life. If your heart feels heavy right now, this might be exactly for you. 2 Corinthians 7. Since we have these promises, beloved, let us cleanse ourselves, bringing holiness to completion in the fear of God. We were afflicted at every turn, fighting without and fear within. But God, who comforts the downcast, comforted us by the coming of Titus. Even if I made you grieve with my letter, I rejoice, not because you were grieved, but because you were grieved into repenting. For godly grief produces a repentance that leads to salvation without regret, whereas worldly grief produces death. See what earnestness this godly grief produced: eagerness to clear yourselves, indignation, fear, longing, zeal. Godly sorrow doesn't push you away from God, it pulls you closer. Worldly grief spirals into shame and isolation. But godly grief opens the door to honesty and freedom. It does not leave you in shame, it leads you into freedom. If this word convicted you, don't harden your heart. Let it change you. Repentance is not punishment. It's a path back to life. Make room in your heart. Let grace do its work. God is not trying to condemn you. He's trying to restore you.